COLEEN Rooney has created a major name for herself over the years and amassed an incredible amount of wealth. She first rose to fame as Wayne Rooney's wife but has gone on to become recognized as a published writer and television personality. 1. COLEEN Rooney has been married to former footballer Wayne since 2008. / What is COLEEN Rooney's net worth? According to Celebrity Net Worth, COLEEN Rooney has a net worth that is estimated to be around $19 million, £14 million. COLEEN has been able to accumulate her wealth by embarking on a variety of business ventures such as an exercise DVD, a number of autobiographical books and a string of sponsorships and lucrative deals. She launched a jewelry range with Argos in 2008 in a £500,000 deal and also has her own perfume line. COLEEN signed a £2 million clothing deal with Little Woods in 2010, and was their style ambassador before it came to a natural end in 2017. COLEEN and her husband Wayne Rooney also own a number of luxurious properties around the world, which contributes to her wealth. What TV shows has COLEEN Rooney appeared on? In 2008, COLEEN appeared on her very own show titled COLEEN's Real Women. The focus of the reality TV show was to find real women to star in advertising campaigns to promote natural beauty. She also appeared on an episode of This Morning as a guest in 2009. In 2010, COLEEN starred on 2 episodes of The X Factor as a presenter. In 2006 she appeared alongside Sir Trevor McDonald in a documentary about the brain disorder Rett syndrome, which her little sister Rosie suffered from. The 14-year-old died in 2013. How many books has COLEEN Rooney written? COLEEN released her autobiography, Welcome to My World, in March 2007. Following her 2007 autobiography, she later released her book called COLEEN's Real Style in 2008. From 2008 to 2010, the writer published a 4-book series called COLEEN Style Queen. The series of books, titled Passion for Fashion, Dress to Impress, Rock That Frock, and Sun, Sand and Sequins, focuses on a fictional character inspired by COLEEN's childhood.